Speed Champions again. 2017 double kit. And these are getting better and better. The further I go back, the better these become. 75881, couple of Fords. Ford GT 2016 and then 1960 Ford GT40. Look good, nice to see a black car. You know, if you're into your Formula 1, remember the black cars that were racing in the 70s. So what do you get in this kit? 366 pieces in this one. Obviously you get your two cars. Ford GT 2016 racing model. And it looks a good decent car. Blue and red combined. Bit of articulation on the wing. Fragility rating about 3. It's a bit fragile. It's not so bad. Decent colours. Second one, 1966. We'll put that down there. GT40. And this is fantastic, absolutely fantastic looking. Apart from these little central hubs that go in the tyres, that is a mistake. And you actually don't need them to keep the wheels on. So I'd say take them off and just have your gold rim wheels. But a really good looking car and good 60s styling that you can see. Nice one, we like them. A few bits of kit as well, extra bits. Comes with a little podium, first, second and third, and a nice big trophy for the winner there. So that comes with the kit. You've got your little pit man and the checkered flag. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, and then your two drivers. 1966 GT40. Nice beige suit, it's unusual. And then 2016 GT driver, sporting a pair of silver shades. Cool dude mode. And an absolute bag full of spares, 17 spares. That doesn't include the set of wheel trims and your spanner that you generally always get. So anybody that likes spares, come on. But yeah, these two good. I've just done a couple of Porsches, but these are an absolute peach and they look really good, especially this one here. 1966 one. Five-star buy. Old Charlie recommends. Okay, have a look for this online. Second hand, brilliant couple of kits. Nice bit of playability for the kids as well, with the podium and the 3 men and the trophy. So go out and get shopping. Catch up soon. Bye.